Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So just a recap for the last week analysis that I have sent to the whitelist. So for the people in the whitelist who caught this trade, congratulations. Not, it's okay, you learned something. So let's go through the last week analysis. So let me play it back. Okay, that was the Friday, and I already wrote this. So the Friday low was on the level, Goldbach level. I used the 7 to 9 PO3, and Friday was on the 97, which is 3, and 3 can go to 59, 41, or 17. So for me, 17 was the perfect place, and that's what I have said here in the newsletter because of the daily bearish fair value gap. So I was anticipating Monday and Tuesday to be bullish, so it goes to 17, and after in confirmation, price should drop lower. And because of this weekly liquidity, the weekly swing low. So let's play it out. Monday was bullish, but it dropped, so it's an inside day. Haven't swept the Friday high or low, so it's an inside day. The next day is Tuesday, which is went to the fair value gap, the daily fair value gap bearish one. And if we go to the 1 hour chart, you will see that before the session ends, we had a bullish 1 hour, small one, a value gap that got inverted. I went short here and I hold it. So Wednesday started and we had suddenly a bullish day, unexpected. They expected that on the weekly profile that the high of the week is in because of Tuesday. Wednesday made that attempt to sweep. So if we are bearish, then the high of the Wednesday should not be swept. That's why I kept my stop loss tight. And that's exactly what market did. It jumped lower. So it respected the high of Tuesday. So let's go to the daily. And then Thursday dropped and Friday too. So the target has been met. Liquidity has been taken. And the analysis played out. So congrats to the people who was in the waiting list. If you are not in the waiting list, I will be leaving the link in the description below. Maybe I will do an analysis for the next week and about the course. So what will you learn in the course is exactly this process. For every trader, you have to have a process from the start. You start in a weekly, in a daily, and just mark your PDRA. I will show you. What I did on Friday was what I call Goldbach mapping. And it made sense because Friday was on 3. So following the Algo Path, 3 should go to the 59 or 41 or 17. So I choose 17. Why? Let me tell you. So I choose 17 because the 41 is here. It makes no sense. So let me play it back again. So this was the 41. Make no sense. the price of Friday closed above the 41. So the 41 make no sense. The 59, it's here. So there is no PD array, not a significant one. So the significant PD array, it's here. It's the bearish daily fair value gap. And that's where the 17 is. That's why the 17 made more sense than the 59 and 41. That's the Goldbach mapping that I will be teaching in the course. So the second thing will be the two very important concepts from ICT. Maybe a lot of you don't know how to spot a bias. And that's okay. I will teach you how to simply know what the daily bias is, the weekly bias, the even the 1 minute bias. I will show you how to know that with these two concepts, market structure, and the second one, higher time frame alignment. You do understand this too. Your trades will look like a winner. You will be able to read the market like a book. So, Goldbach mapping, of course, you have to know Hobby Blarka Goldbach levels. That's a must. I will not be teaching that. And the two concepts from ICT, maybe you know it, maybe not. And just one confirmation from GB time. That Goldbach time is the concept of Ajay. And I learned from him, and I advise everyone to learn from him. So most of you already know him, and you are in his mentorship. If you're not, I will recommend his mentorship if you want to learn the GP time, because I will not be teaching GP time in this course. The one thing I will be teach in GP time is the 35.29. Not teaching, just showing you, because the Ajay, he already has a YouTube channel and he talk about this concept in public. So I will only be talking about stuff he already talked in public. So I will only show you the 35.29 that I use. And I will not be talking about the Goldbach time Algo Path. I will not be teaching that. It's not my teachings, not my concept. This is Ajay. I will put his mentorship link in the description below and the waiting list for my course. If you want to join, you will get a free weekly analysis, and the course is in the making. So hope this was useful, and see you the next time. If you have any question, drop it below. Give me a subscribe. Join the waiting list. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.